Hello students, NCERT Solutions Class 11 Physics Chapter number 3 Motion in a Straight Line. Question number 7. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on a two parallel tracks with a uniform speed of 72 km per hour in the same direction. With A ahead of B, the driver of B decides to overtake A and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. If after 50 seconds the guard of B just brushes past the driver of A, what was the original distance between them? In this question given that two trains A and B length 400 meter each. Suppose two trains A and B moving with uniform speed 72 km in the same direction with A ahead of B. A ahead of B. A आगे है. Suppose here train A, this train A, and here this train B, both are moving in the same direction. And let this is the original distance between them. Original distance d, small d here, and this is the situation at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, and after 50 seconds, the situation is, after 50 seconds the guard of B just brushes past, means guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. After 50 seconds train A is here, train A, and the train B is here, this train B here, right? Now the डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल फाइंड करेंगे दोनों के द्वारा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल. हेयर आल्सो गिवन दैट फॉर ट्रेन ए दिस u is equal to initial speed 72 km per hour, and this is equal to 72 into 5 upon 18, and this is equal to 20 meter per second, and acceleration of this train is A is equal to 0, and the distance travelled by this train in time t is equal to 50 seconds, right? 50 seconds. Then from second equation of motion, this is S is equal to ut plus half et square. Now on putting the values, here u is 20 meter per second and time is 50 seconds, plus half into acceleration of A is 0, into this 50 square. So this is equal to 1000. Therefore distance traveled by the train A in 50 seconds is 1000, and this is the distance traveled by A. This distance is distance traveled by A from here to here. This is 1000 meter. 1000 meter, this is the distance travelled by the train A. Now similarly the distance travelled by B, that is for train B, u is equal to 20 meter per second, acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square, and the time t is equal to 50 seconds, 50 second. Now from second equation of motion, this SB is equal to ut plus half at square. Now on putting the values, u is equal to 20 and t is equal to 50 plus half into acceleration 1 into time is 50 square. Then this is on solving, this is 1000 plus this 1 by 2 into 1250. This is 200, 2500, 2500, and this on solving, this is 1250, or on solving this is equal to 2250 meter. So this is the distance traveled by the train B during 50 seconds, and this distance is equal to from here, this is SB is equal to 2250 meter from here to here, this distance, right? Now from the figure, here this is train B and this distance D, and this is length of train A is 400 meter, right? This is 1000, this is also 400 meter, right? Now therefore this D plus 400 meter plus this 1000 plus this 400 meter is equal to the distance traveled by the train B, this SB, or this is 2250. Again, this distance D plus 400 meter plus from here to here this 1000 plus this 400 is equal to this 2250 meter, right? Therefore, from figure, this D plus 400 plus 1000 plus again 400 length of train B, and this is equal to this 2250, and on solving this D is equal to 2250 minus this is 1800, or this is equal to 450 meter. So this is the answer. Here this train B and this train A, and original distance was this D suppose, and here the original distance हमने calculate की, this is 450. Now the distance traveled by the train A is 1000 and the distance traveled by the train B is 2250 meter in t is equal to 50 seconds. Therefore this distance D plus 400 plus 1000 plus this 400 is equal to the distance traveled by the train B, which is equal to 2250 meter. Therefore here D plus 400 plus 1000 plus 400 is equal to 2250, and on solving this D is equal to 2250 minus 1800 is equal to 450. This is the answer of problem. Thank you.